How to take off rusted studs off exhaust manifolds if you have the room and clearance to do it. Soak with PB Blaster as much as you can, as long as you can. Attach more than one vice grip. I tried 2, it worked. I'm trying 3 now, and all you do is rock it back and forth slowly. It takes a while, but eventually it'll start to move for you. And you won't break the bolt as long as you don't force it. It starts to give way little by little, rocking it back and forth. It's a lot better than heat. There it goes. Just keep rocking it back and forth slowly. Do not overdo it or you'll break the bolt. With the 3 vice grips, it's a lot stronger, a lot more movement, a lot easier to do this work. Hope it helps.